Hi, I'm Guy Harding, and today's episode we're going to show you how to replace the factory DSG paddle shifters on the Golf Mark 7 GTIs and Rs, as well as the Polo 6C GTI with Racingline's all-metal performance versions. Okay, now first up I'll show you what the factory paddle shifters look like. As you can see, they're plastic, they're quite small, they're fairly flimsy. And the Racingline versions are available in piano black and titanium silver, beautifully CNC billet machined to the exact details for a perfect fit. What I'll do is I'll demonstrate off the vehicle first on how the shifters are placed in. I'll turn the steering wheel over just for a little better look. Now firstly you can see the factory paddle shifter in all its operation. What there is on the bottom of the steering wheel and on the other side is a small plastic pivot pin. The pivot pin's easily removed with a pair of long nose pliers. You need to have a good serrated end on them. Just a light plastic pin, easy to remove. Then the shifter pulls out from the inside, so out, less off. There you can see the switch mechanism itself. Now to replace that with the Racingline version, we have to drop the pivot in. You'll see it has to pop in on the outside firstly, and then it clips straight down in to the original position. Hold it in position, and then you can slide the pin back in. You can actually push it back in by hand, and you can help it along with the long nose pliers if you wish. You can see the operation's done. I'll just demonstrate on the other side for you. Same again. We can see the pin protruding. We grab it, we slide it out, we pop the paddle off, we pop the new one in, outside on first, line it up, hold it in place, and then locate the new pivot pin in. Both units installed. Okay, what we'll do now is we'll demonstrate fitting it to our new Mark 7.5 Golf in car. Put the ignition on, make sure your handbrake's on, don't need to start the car. Turn the steering wheel to 90 degrees. Locate the pin in the underside of the paddle. Now if you can use long nose pliers, make sure you've got a nice edge on there because it can be a little bit slippery to grip. There it is, grab it, pull it out, locate it, then clip the paddle out. And we'll install the new one. We shall. Grab it, a little bit tricky. Locate it, pop the pin in, slide the pin in by hand so you hear it click and lock in. We locate the pin, pull the pin out, disconnect the lever, get our new paddle, locate it into place, and drop the pin in, located. There we have it, the paddle's installed. It's just a quick look at our installed paddles now. We are 7.5. You can see they fit in beautifully. Nice operation.